Right there. Jeremy Wayne.
Jeremy Wayne.
Jeremy Wayne, watch your language. Video.
How about you climb on top of it?
I'm gonna shoot it on video.
Kinda.
Jeremy, don't shake it. It's gonna like move it.
Here, take a video.
It's taking one right now. Can anybody text me? Jeremy has to do it.
What?
He also airball it.
Overgauge. Dude, my fault. Don't overgauge.
Yeah, you will. Cody! Cody!
Yeah, Cody misses because he sucks.
Taking a video.
Cody!
Of course.
Who's winning?
Not hard.
Who's on teams?
Gage and Jeremy.
Gage is the one with the wife beater.
Alright, cover to the right.
Jeremy's the one without a shirt on. Kills the other one, the little blondie without a shirt on. Cody is the one with the red shirt and the red shorts. It's like walking right now, trying to get the ball over Jeremy's head.
Grant, swear to God, if you don't shut up, I'm gonna punch you.
And Scotty's the one just in that blue, all that blue right there.
Cody's a fat one. Cody!
So, back it up, back it up, back it up. They suck.
This is freaking creepy as what?